Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today I wanted to share 2 tips to use when making peanut butter cookies. I tried a different recipe than the one I'm used to, so these cookies turned out way too dry. But you can use the tips regardless of whatever recipe that you use. The first tip is to put a few drops of almond extract in your peanut butter cookie dough. The almond extract will enhance the flavor of the peanut butter cookies. The second tip is, instead of using a fork in one hand and going back and forth, put a fork in each one of your hands, because there's a natural 90-degree angle and you can easily just smash the indentations into the cookie because of the natural angle that you have each of your hands. Hope you enjoyed these simple tips that you can use next time you make peanut butter cookies. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.